a brief tutorial in making an Astable LED flasher with a 555 timer circuit. This project will follow this circuit model. The values can be adjusted or the time it takes for the on and off cycle to repeat itself. For this video, we will be making a 1 second on and off cycle. Here are the materials needed to begin. One 555 timer IC, one 47 microfarad capacitor, two 10K resistors, one LED, one 270 ohm resistor to keep the LED from burning out, a 9-volt battery with a connector, insulated copper wires, and a breadboard. First, place the 555 on the breadboard. Make sure that the pin orientation is right. Place the 10K resistor between pins 8 and 7. Place the other 10K resistor between pins 7 and 6. Put the wire between pins 2 and 6. Place the microfarad capacitor between pins 2 and 1. Last, get the LED and the 270 ohm resistor and put them between pins 3 and 1. Place the remaining copper wires on the breadboard and connect the 9-volt battery, the positive wire to pin 8 and the negative wire to pin 1. If all your materials are working properly and you have followed all steps to a T, you will get about 1 second period for the LED flashing on and off. And we're done! Thanks for watching!